Thank you for coming, everybody. My name is Jordan Lulich. We put on these real estate business and breakfast events for real estate agents to help educate you guys, bring in different speakers to help give you guys the tools and resources to increase your business, become more knowledgeable. Up next, I'm going to introduce Devin and thank Devin for breakfast. He's our breakfast sponsor, so let's give Devin a round of applause.
Good morning, guys. Yeah, so like Jordan was saying, we use a lot of technology in our inspection for inspectors to provide for their clients. It's something we do. It's something a lot of other inspectors do.
All right, so it's September 11th. We just finished up our real estate business breakfast and event, and so I just wanted to ask you guys, what did you think about the event?
That was a great event, great information, very across the board information, different spectrums of business. Love it. Thanks for the venue. And,
thanks for coming out, man. I appreciate
you putting it together for us.
Yeah. Anybody? This is your first time, right?
This is my first time. Yeah. No, I thought first of all, great location to have it. Really enjoyed it, and then also, just learning about things that you don't always think about in real estate every day. And so the hiring and all of that was really informative. And
thanks for coming. Yeah. Would you come again?
Yes, I would definitely come again.
Awesome. Anybody else have anything to chime in?
Particularly for being new agents, being able to get familiar with everybody and all of the information that we were able to get from like all of these experienced agents. It was more than I could have asked for. So it was very amazing.
Yeah, we definitely met a lot of individuals that can help us in the future, and we can help in the future. So that's super exciting as well.
Yeah. And then Al and Tariq, you guys been agents for a while. What do you think as the veteran agents over here?
Veteran? Well, always awesome. I appreciate you inviting me out. Even though I don't always formally RSVP, I always show up to get some good talk.
You should RSVP though.
Always there is something to learn. There are people here with a lot of knowledge and all the good things to share with everybody.
Thanks for coming, guys. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.